Hi everybody and welcome to Cardboard World. In today's video we're going to be trying on the Batman Beyond costume that I made. I'll show you guys how I made it and how you can make it yourself. So let's go ahead and try this bad boy. Okay guys, so before we try it on, I just want to go over how I made it. As you can see from the front part, it's mostly EVA foam that's been heat treated. The abs are heat treated and molded. The deltoids, as you can see, they're different pieces connected together, and mostly is EVA foam. There are two LED lights at the front, some screws to hold it together. If you look at the back, there are two straps to hold it together, and there are two shoulder straps, and there's one strap at the bottom. Guys, so I have got on the chest, the back console is there, the lights are lit, and the lights are lit on the chest. There is a little bit of feel of wear and tear on the chest, which I like because this is how it should be. You can see the gauntlets, they're made according to the actual suit, as you can see. Okay, so now we're going to be trying on the belt. So guys, this is the utility belt that I made. It has these 6 boxes, 3 on each side, and then there's one at the back. So let's try it on. This will come here. Go at the buckle. So this is it. You can see the belts are there, the buckle is there. Guys, before we wrap up the show, we still have the gloves and the centerpiece of the belt to try on. So let's go ahead and try these on as well. Gloves are there. They look nice. Okay, pretty good, pretty rad. We have LED lights. I'm not sure if you can see this, but there is an LED ring inside the belt also. So we're just going to be putting on the piece here. Let me go back. The belt piece is here. And now the final part is the mask. What mask is this? Okay, so this is the final look of the Batman suit.